Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you have MacBook or Windows laptop and iPhone and you want transfer your data in your iPhone to MacBook or Windows laptop and sometimes AirDrop is not working properly. Using iMazing software, you can very easily transfer your iPhone data to your Mac and Windows as well. So where is available, what is the process, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. You should apply same tips and tricks in Windows laptop as well. So now let's start on my Mac screen. Just simply open the Google, type here iMazing, enter. The first link is display here, iMazing for PC and Mac as well. Absolutely free download this one. This is the software, very easy to access this one. All information is available here. If you want buy or get upgrade premium subscription, basic prices is here. Targeting, just simply download this one, and the software size is very small, 291 MB only. After download, you just simply open, click twice and just simply drag and drop. I already installed the software, I just simply skip it. This one, open here app and type here iMazing, enter. Now I need to connect here my iPhone, so afterward I just simply enter here app section and just simply open the software. After opening the software, the frame look like this. It's very easy, and here is my iPhone. I just simply use the cable and connect here to my Mac, and this is my iPhone. And first of all, you need to provide the trust as well, so I just simply say open and give it to permission as a trust. And afterwards, look at this here, device is showing here. It's easy. This is my iPhone, and just simply say here show device, and here other information is showing. Look at this here, which types of data you are copy: photos, music, message, WhatsApp, history, and all types of other data you can very easily copy here as well. We just simply enter here in the photo section. So here the photo comes as a date wise, or you specific mention here the date like 25 to 26 or specific month as well. So accordingly the photo is open here. If you want copy some of the photos, like suppose this, or you just simply select here multiple photos like this, just simply import. So I just simply say import and say next and select the location. I just simply say here desktop, choose the desktop and link the device, and boom, very easily export the photos. I just simply go back here in the desktop, and desktop here the photos is coming here. Look at this here, this is the photo I export here. You can export as a different types as well. Export here, say next. You can create your folders as well. Demo, which name you want create. This is the copy, here is the demo, and the data is coming here. Very fast way you can transfer the data from your iPhone to your Mac or Windows laptop using iMazing software. This is the very easy and convenient. This is the simple process to transfer your iPhone data to Mac or Windows. If you have any question related on this software, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.